Hey guys, welcome to my scrappiness. Hey guys, look what I got. I think this is a subscription that my friend got me and my friend Carol. Hi Carol, let's open it together and see what the surprise is. This is from HSN and I think this is the Crafter's Companion subscription she got me. Another box. Hey, guys, it's a box within a box, so let's go ahead and open this again and see what's in it.
Look into this at the same time. Carol, thank you so much for this. I appreciate it. Let me just go see what's inside. I'm having a tough time opening it. Why? I think I didn't do a good job opening it. Okay, let's see what's inside. Oh no! Why would it not open? It's glued. Oh my gosh. See, this is what I was telling you guys. I always have the hardest time opening packages. I'm not a good package opener. That or this package is just tricky. Oh my goodness. Ah, there you go. Wow. Oh my god.
Gosh. Oh my goodness. Okay, it's a sparkle pan kit. It says another. Wow, they really package this very well. Are you guys ready? Let's open it now. Thank you for your purchase. Oh my gosh. I'm excited. Oh my goodness. There's some, I guess these are the sparkle pans. And then inside we have some watercolor cards here, and actually one with images on them. So let's see what kind of images we have here. There are 2, 4, 6 images. A butterfly, a flower, a balloons, looks like sunflower. I'm assuming this is an iris, a cupcake. Then we have some watercolor cards. Let's see what's inside them, if they have any images or are they just regular watercolor. Up, they are regular watercolor, they're blank. Okay, card blanks. Wow, these are cute, they're small. I guess they are just regular small cards. Look, they're like, I think they're 4x4s. They are card blanks, colored cards. Wow, these things are small, so they must be for gift cards, you know. And these are just the, they look like just regular card stocks, 4x4 in yellow, pink, blue, and purple. And then the envelopes, I'm not gonna open that anymore. More watercolor cards. What are these? Paper strips. I'm assuming these are for the sentiments. Cute! And there are more. There's some more stamps here that we can use. Oh, I like that. Teacups. Oh, these are cute. These are so cool. Okay. Thanks, Carol. This is so cool. Okay, let's open this up. They have the pens in 3 colors. And this is macaroon. This is blue topaz, the blue, and moonlight. So let's see the directions. It says to use, remove yellow retainer ring, twist nib section clockwise and gaze carrot.
Okay, let's see. Okay, so they want us to remove the yellow thing. And then we put this back on. And then, oopsie, there was some water coming out. Then, says we remove the yellow retainer ring, twist nib section clockwise, engage the cartridge. I think I already engaged it. Is that what I need to do? Replace cap and shake well. Now what? And then
Squeeze, it says. I'm squeezing. Ah. Oh, there it is. It's coming out. Oopsie. my gosh, look at that color. Okay, I'm gonna enjoy this. I like coloring. Oh my gosh, you know what's missing in this color? Is green. I'm back. I just wanted to show you how I am going to use this pants. And yeah, lesson learned. When you shake the pants, because you have to shake them after each use. I've already prepped all of them, took out those yellow things. When you shake your pen, make sure you put your cover on before you shake your pen, because look what happened. It splattered, the yellow splattered. But anyway, I just want to play with these balloons and maybe make a card out of this this cute image. So I want to go ahead and color the balloon, and I think this color is Moonlight. It's very subtle, unlike the macaroon that we tried. So I'm just gonna color it in and maybe speed it up so this video won't be too long.
So anyway, so I'm just gonna color it through. Then and the macaroon is just a little too strong for me. It's just, you know, too dark, I guess. See how it lays? It's really kind of dark.
The brushes are a little too thick for me. So when you go through the little spots like that, I kind of miss some of them.
I have a feeling I haven't really tested the blue yet. I have a feeling this is gonna be, oh my gosh, it's dark too. So let's go ahead and color them in. So
let me go ahead and finish off this card. Let me lay this yellow on top of the card. I already inked and layered this hello sentiment. Oh, they're kind of dry-ish already, but I'm gonna go ahead. Oh, the blue's not really dry yet. Oh well. It stained my background, but that's okay. Oh my word. Now it's really stained, but that's okay. I'm just showing you how this works, and I just needed to get this done like ASAP. I'm sorry about the stain. I guess we can fix that later with something, or maybe I'll splatter some colors later. But anyway, this is how it came out. Closer to you guys. Sorry, it's kind of messy. But anyway, if you could give me any tips, if any one of you have used any kind of this is my first time using this. And if you had used any of this, maybe, of course, I was impatient by laying down this like right away. I could have waited for a few minutes to let it dry. But anyway, excuse that mess, and look at all the mess that I made here on my background. Maybe I just need more practice. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my playing here and opening the box. And you could understand what I was talking about me having some problems with opening boxes. I hope you enjoyed this video, learned something from it, and please comment down below. Let me know what you think. A thumbs up if you enjoyed watching me mess this card up, or at least the haul video. Again, Carol, I just need to practice more on this, I guess. Thank you so much for always thinking of me, girl. Thank you so much. And you guys, to see more layouts, cards, and hauls, please subscribe. And yeah, that's it. I'll catch you guys later, and thank you. Bye.